Good day everyone. I am Engineer Nor Ardibangkitan, your instructor for this course CVE150.2 Engineering Graphics. Module 1 Introduction to Engineering Graphics. So welcome to the first module of this course. So for this first lesson, we'll be discussing the meaning and importance of engineering graphics, its role, and also we will cite the different drawing instruments and aids that we uses in engineering drawing. So by the end of this module, you should be able to first define what is engineering graphics and identify drawing instruments and their uses. So engineering drawing. So in the old curriculum, CV150 is ES52. So this is all about manual drafting. But since the technological advancement, dinagdag na yung computer graphics, which is AutoCAD. That is why tinawag yung course natin ngayon na engineering graphics. So we'll be doing manual and computer aided na drafting. Engineering drawing is a two-dimensional representation of three-dimensional objects. So say meron kang cube dito. So this is a 3D object. So engineering drawing is a two-dimensional representation, meaning it could be a view from the top or a view from the left or in any direction. So if we look at that object at the top, this is what we see. So this is the 2D representation of this cube from the top view. So could be in any other views also. So that is engineering drawing. So 2D, two-dimensional. Now engineering drawing, or the drawing that created by engineering drawing, provides necessary information about the shape, size, surface quality, material, manufacturing process, etc. of the object. So say this is the object, so you can put dimension. You can also put ladder line that explains kung ano yung material na yan. Say concrete. So ganun. And other detail na pwedeng madagdag. So engineering drawing is what they call the universal language of engineers. Why? Because a plan, or say an engineering drawing, considering na nag-follow ng mga certain standards, is kahit saan sa mundo man dumating yung drawing na yon, is may intindihan ng engineer. Say an American engineer, a Filipino engineer, a other foreign engineer, pag nagsama-sama sila at may nakita, at yung drawing na yon, yung isang drawing na yon, nakita nila, maintindihan nila agad lahat yon. So that makes it very unique yung engineering drawing. So what is the role of engineering drawing? So for civil engineers, engineering drawing are used to draw building plans. That is for civil engineers. So building plans or road plans. So lahat ng mga construction na ginagawa ng isang civil engineer. So sa mechanical engineer naman, so engineering drawing is not only focused or monopolized by a one profession. So civil engineer, mechanical engineer, they also use engineering drawing for their machine drawings. And also sa mga electrical and electronics engineer. So they use it for a circuit diagram. So ganyan. So in general, engineering drawing will if we study engineering drawing, we will be able to first have the ability to read and prepare engineering drawing, of course. So pwede tayong pag natapos natin yung course na to or yung engineering drawing as a whole, so we will be able to read and prepare engineering drawings. Second is ability to make freehand sketching of objects. So it is importante din na matrain tayo sa paggawa ng freehand, kasi if for example in a building plan, kailangan ng agarang changes. So wala ka hindi ka naman nagdadala ng mga instrument mo sa construction site. So doon mo gagamit yung freehand sketching mo. So that's why we'll have to train using freehand sketching. So next is power to imagine, analyze, and communicate. So for you to read or interpret a plan, you'll have to use your imagination, analyzation. In that way, maiko-communicate mo kung ano yung nasa drawing. And lastly, the capacity to understand other subjects. Now, for the drawing instrument and aids. So there are several instruments, but we will be citing yung mga pinaka-basic na mga instruments. So the instruments and other aids used in drafting works are, first is the drawing board. So drawing board, so ito yung mga high-end na mga drawing board. So it is where we place the drawing sheet and we make our engineering drawing or yung plan. Next is the T-square. So yung T-square, you use it sa edge ng drawing board. So say ito yung T-square, nakalagay dito yung T-square. So dapat at sa edge na to is firmly attached yung T-square natin para magka-inscribe tayo ng 90 degrees. So meaning perfectly horizontal na line yung magagawa natin dito. So dapat firm yung grip or yung placement ng T-square doon sa working edge ng isang drawing board. So drawing board could be any table. So hindi lang ganito. So kung wala ka namang ganitong drawing board, so could be any table na yung sa left side is straight yung edge niya. Now T-square is used for drawing horizontal lines, and as I was saying, must be firmly fixed to the edge of the board para consistent na horizontal yung pure horizontal yung mga drawings mo. Now next is set squares. So set squares is used for drawing vertical, inclined, parallel, and perpendicular lines. Now set squares, merong dalawang type. So this is 30-60 degrees. So ito yung tinatawag na 30-60. And ito naman is yung 45 degrees na set square. So parang ruler lang siya. So merong mga calibration sa both side. So you can inscribe vertical, incline, and perpendicular and parallel lines. Now next, scales or rulers. So this is used in making used to make drawing of the objects to proportionate size desired. So in drawing, important yung scale, kasi you cannot use the actual scale, say nung isang house, you cannot draw it nung actual scale niya kasi masyadong malaki. So we have to rescale it to make it smaller. So ang usual scale, pinaka-standard na scale ng isang house plan or sa isang drawing sa civil engineering is 1:100, meaning yung 1 meter in reality is 100 centimeter, yung 1 centimeter sa drawing is 100 centimeter dun sa actual. So meaning 1 cm sa drawing, 1 meter yun sa actual. So next is protractor. So familiar ka sa protractor, it used to use measuring lines and angles. Then next is compass, of course, familiar kayo. This we use in drawing circles. Then yung divider. So yung divider is wala siyang lead or pen. So it is only used to set equal spaces, or say gusto mong mag-measure, so you can use divider kasi pag na-measure mo na yung gusto mong measurement, kukunin na measurement, then nakalock dito, so fixed na yan siya. So pwede mong i-transfer kung saan mo gusto na mag-set ng another measurement dun sa drawing mo. Next is French curve. So French curve is used to draw curves and arcs. So ito sila. So say mga ellipse or mga arcs na part or curves dun sa drawing mo. So gagamit ka ng French curve. Now next is template. So template is used for drawing specific shapes and figures. So in a template, meron ng different shapes and sizes or fixtures. So say mga sofa, mga window doors, toilet and bowl. So lahat nandun, depende sa type ng template, but that is the use of template para diretso mo na siya i-draw. Next is erasing shield. So erasing shield is used for erasing certain spots doon sa drawing and protecting the other drawing also. Say may nagkamali ka ng isang guhit, so usually pag i-erase mo yan, madadama yung ibang katabing lines, but using erasing shield, ilalagay mo lang doon sa spot na gusto mong i-erase, then gagamit ka lang ng eraser. Just mabura na siya. Now for the drawing sheet, so drawing sheet, it is a paper or tracing paper where we draw the illustrations or yung plan. So iba-iba yung paper sizes. Merong A1, A0, A2, A3, A4. So depende. So ngayon may mga drawing plans na available in A1 paper sizes or A3 sizes. So yun. Pencil and next inking. So pencil, so sa pencil naman merong iba't ibang intensity nung lead niya. So merong H papuntang 9H. So that is from hardest to softest. So 9H yung pinaka hard, then pinaka soft is 7B. So meaning pag hard yung ink, meaning yung drawing mo is manipis lang siya and hindi siya visible masyado. So ginagamit yan sa mga construction line tsaka mga guiding lines. So yung sa 7B naman, ito yung pinaka makapal kasi lambot yung lead na ginagamit. So usually yung HB is used for mga final lines, then 2H is ginagamit sa mga construction lines. So or meron ding tinatawag na mechanical pencil. So mechanical pencil is meron na siyang uniform na size, uniform cross section ng isang lead. So pag gagamitin mo siya, usually merong ang ink ng mechanical pencil is HB. So that is for mga final lines na. So yun yung ginagamit sa mechanical pencil. So meron iba-iba din yung mga thickness ng lead. So pwedeng 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. So depende sa gagamitin mo na lead. And then inking pen. So inking pen is available in different thickness also. So pinakamanipis is 0.05 up to 0.8. So yan. So sa atin siguro gagamit tayo ng around 0.3 mm and 0.5 or 0.7. Ganon. So other instrument is of course sharpener, then eraser, cloth or tissue para malinis yung surface natin. So in a drawing, very critical yung cleanliness. So dapat malinis yung drawing or yung plan mo. And then tape. So ang tape is ginagamit, so it's say ito yung drawing board. Then ito yung T-square. So T-square dapat perfectly perpendicular siya with respect dun sa edge ng board. Kaya dapat firm yung grip niya dito. So pag maglalagay ka ng drawing, so iseset mo yung T-square, then i-align mo yung drawing paper mo dito sa T-square. So in that aspect, yung placement ng drawing paper mo is tamang-tama na, horizontal siya. So then yung tape gagamitin mo is to seal or to hold in place yung drawing paper. So maglagay ka ng tape dito. So siguro masking tape lang, yung manipis lang, yung hindi masyadong madikit para hindi ma-tear off yung corners ng drawing sheet mo. So, sa course natin, so since online course tayo, so wala tayo sa college or sa school to draw. So siguro dyan lang kasabay niya mag-draw. So magre-require lang ako ng very minimal na mga requirements. So the instrument and other aids required for this course, sa course natin is of course drawing board, but hindi kayo bibili ng drawing board. So siguro may mga table naman kayo, or siguro nakabili na kayo ng study table. So you can use that as your drawing board. Next is set squares. So set squares, kung may ganito kayong mahahanap na set square, like ganito talaga, meron na siyang available na French curve, ito, and also a protractor. So minus na yun sa bibili nyo na instrument. So if makakahanap ka ng set square na may nakalagay na French curve and protractor, so mas mabuti yun. Then compass. So compass, so pwedeng bilhin nyo lang is compass. Meron din compass na divider na din siya. So that is 2-in-1. So hindi nyo na kailangang bumili ng separate na divider. So you can use compass na lang. So pwede naman gamitin yung compass sa pag-set ng mga equal spaces. But careful lang kasi yung compass is medyo na-open siya. Wala siyang lock na para ma-lock yung gusto mo na measurement na i-transfer. So you can use compass as a divider na din. Next is T-square, of course. So T-square, so yung maliit lang na T-square, hindi yung mahabang T-square. So yung maliit lang. Then preferably transparent para nakikita mo pa rin yung drawing na napapatungan ng T-square mo. Next is drawing pencil. So that could be drawing pencil is kailangan kuha ng 2H and HB, or you can use mechanical pencil na 0.5. So depende na sa inyo, HB na drawing pencil or 0.5 na mechanical pencil. So dalawa, 2H and HB or 2H and 0.5 na mechanical pencil. So mechanical pencil is hindi siya kamahalan aside kung branded talaga, but very efficient yung paggamit ng mechanical pencil kasi hindi ka na nagsha-sharpen and uniform yung thickness ng lines mo. Next is technical pen or inking pen. So we will require 0.3 for thin lines and 0.7 for mga thick lines. So meron ding mga disposable. So yung Unipen, so mahanap nyo sa Iligan or dyan sa Royal sa MSU. So may mga available na mga material naman dito sa MSU. Then next is drawing sheets. So drawing sheet is we'll be using a good quality long bond paper. So dapat hindi yung manipis lang na long bond paper, dapat yung makapal para hindi siya madaling mapunit, or pag nag-i-erase ka hindi siya madaling yung parang nagbabalat. So ganon. So also sharpener, eraser, cloth, tsaka tape. So ito lang i-require natin. Drawing table, T-square, set squares na may French curve and protractor, but okay lang na walang ganito. So depende na sa inyo 'yon. Then compass, pencil, pen, and drawing paper. So siguro ang costly lang dito is yung T-square. So but T-square, yung ganitong type ng T-square, hindi siya umabot sa mga 500 siguro. So or less. So yung costly lang is yung T-square talaga. But T-square is very important in drawing kasi dyan mag-start yung lahat ng lines mo. You will also use T-square, yung set square. Example, maglalagay ka ng vertical line, so you'll have to use your 45 degrees para mag-inscribe ng vertical lines. Or maglalagay ka ng inclined line, so or sa mga isometric drawing, kailangan mo ng 30 degrees. So dito 30 degrees, so para mag-draw ka ng line, so dyan mo ipapatong sa T-square para with respect to the horizontal is tama yung magiging lines mo. Okay, so ito lang yung i-require ko na mga material. So you don't have to buy yung mga branded talaga, like yung mga branded talaga na mga drawing instrument. Okay, so merong mahahanap na mga hindi branded but matibay na mga drawing instrument. So yun. So dapat maging cost efficient tayo. Okay, that's it for module 1. So references, textbook of engineering drawing 2nd edition by K. Venkata Reddy. So this is available online, so pwede nyo siya i-download, i-search and i-download, and google.com for the images. So module 1, and thank you for listening and have a good day.